Hey everyone, I'll be showing you 8 best AI photo enhancers in 2024. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on the art of photo editing. With AI making waves across various applications, it is no surprise that it has found its way into the realm of photography, revolutionizing the way we enhance our images. Picture this. AI-powered photo enhancers have become the go-to tools for both seasoned photographers and casual enthusiasts alike. These ingenious applications leverage deep learning algorithms to analyze images and make lightning-fast adjustments to color, sharpness, contrast, and more. The result? Stunning visuals that would typically take hours to achieve through traditional editing methods, all accomplished in a matter of seconds. In today's exploration, we will be uncovering the top 8 AI photo enhancers that are currently dominating the scene. Whether you are a professional photographer aiming to streamline your workflow or an amateur looking to breathe new life into your vacation snapshots, these tools are guaranteed to elevate your photography game. Get ready to witness the seamless fusion of technology and art as we unveil the cutting-edge AI photo enhancers that are redefining the way we perfect our visual narratives. Let us jump right in. Diving into our list of top-notch AI photo enhancers, let us start with a bang. YouCam Enhance. Crafted by the brilliant minds at Cyberlink Corporation, this AI-powered photo enhancers is making waves for its cutting-edge algorithms that work seamlessly to enhance and refine your photo collection. What is the best part? It is not picky about platforms. Available on both iOS and Android devices. You can snag this gem for free from your favorite app store. Picture this. You are dealing with poorly lit, blurry, or noisy photos. YouCam Enhances steps in as your digital savior. With a mere tap, users can effortlessly correct common issues and transform their images. Enhance, sharpen, enlarge, or restore. The possibilities are at your fingertips. Imagine creating HD portraits that live off the screen or effortlessly reviving vintage photos from the blurry archives to crystal clear memories. But here is where it gets even more exciting. YouCam Enhance doesn't just stop at basic touch-ups. It is a powerhouse for maintaining image quality when enlarging photos for print. Night photography enthusiasts rejoice. Bid farewell to those frustratingly blurred lights in your night photos. YouCam Enhance tackles them head-on, ensuring your nocturnal snapshots shine with clarity. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Join us as we unveil 7 more AI photo enhancers that are reshaping the photography landscape. Each one promises to take your photo editing game to new heights. But before we move on, if you are excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit the subscribe button on our channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. As we continue our journey through the realm of AI-powered photo enhancers, our next stop is the remarkable Remini. This gem of an application, utilizing powerful deep learning algorithms, specializes in the restoration and enhancements of old, blurry, or low-resolution photos and videos. Imagine a digital wizard at your fingertips, breathing new life into your cherished memories. Available for both iOS and Android devices, Remini can be easily downloaded free of charge, making it an accessible tool for all photography enthusiasts. What sets Remini apart is its ability to rejuvenate those vintage family photos, scan copies of documents, and other images that have lost their luster over time. The app's advanced AI technology steps into enhanced details, eliminate noise, and restore colors, effectively turning faded memories into vibrant snapshots that look as good as new. But the magic doesn't stop here. Remini offers a palette of additional features that elevate its status as an all-in-one photo and video enhancer. Dive into a world of filters, including the game-changing face glow and face enhance tools, designed to boost the quality of facial features. The autocolor feature effortlessly adjusts and improves colors, ensuring a vibrant and balanced palette. For those looking to fine-tune every detail, the background enhance tool comes into play, adding that extra touch of perfection. So whether you are on a quest to revive family treasures or simply aiming to enhance your latest photo captures, Remini proves to be a versatile and powerful ally in the world of AI-driven enhancements. Stay with us as we unravel 6 more game-changing applications that are redefining the art of photo editing. As our exploration into the world of AI-driven photo enhancements unfolds, we now turn our attention to the impressive CutOut Pro, creation of Pixomatic LLC. This third contender on our list is a powerhouse utilizing advanced AI algorithms to breathe new life into your images. Color correction, brightness adjustments, contrast refinement, and sharpening. CutOut Pro takes the reins of these enhancements, offering a comprehensive toolkit for photographers and enthusiasts alike. Picture this scenario: old family photos plagued by noise, portraits in need of retouching and deblurring, or night photos struggling with the challenges of noise. CutOut Pro steps in as the ultimate problem solver. But that is not all. This versatile application also empowers users to increase image size without sacrificing quality. Say goodbye to pixelated enlargements and hello to crystal clear, detailed visuals. One standout feature that puts CutOut Pro in a league of its own is its prowess in background removal. With its sophisticated AI technology, the app can intelligently detect the edges of objects within an image, simplifying the backward removal process. No more tedious pixel-by-pixel editing. CutOut Pro ensures a seamless removal of backgrounds, leaving behind polished images without any unwanted traces. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. CutOut Pro is a comprehensive solution for those seeking not only enhanced images, but also efficient background editing. Join us as we unravel the remaining 5 contenders on our list of top AI photo enhancers, each offering its own unique set of features to elevate your photography experience. As our exploration into the world of AI-powered photo enhancers continues, we now shine the spotlight on the 4th contender, Fotor, an ingenious creation by Ever Imaging Limited. Fotor stands out for its robust AI-powered photo enhancements technology, showcasing the prowess of advanced algorithms in elevating the overall quality of your images. At the heart of Fotor's capabilities lies its ability to automatically analyze photos using AI algorithms and make precise adjustments to crucial settings. Imagine having an intelligent assistant that fine-tunes brightness, saturation, and sharpness to perfection. And the best part? Users have the flexibility to take control manually, tailoring these settings to achieve their desired aesthetic. Fotor proves to be a versatile tool catering to a spectrum of image enhancement needs, from fixing blurry pictures to increasing resolution, restoring the charm of old photos, and sharpening intricate details. Fotor is a one-stop solution for photographers and enthusiasts alike. But its prowess doesn't stop there. The application offers an array of adjustment tools, including exposure, brightness, and contrast controls. For those looking to take their editing game a step farther, Fotor introduces advanced features such as tilt shift, color splash, and HDR effects, providing endless possibilities for creative expression. As our journey through the world of AI-powered photo enhancers unfolds, the 5th revelation on our list is the extraordinary Let's Enhance. The AI-powered photo enhancer takes the art of image enhancements to new heights, utilizing deep learning algorithms to upscale and refine images with unparalleled precision. Let us dive into the arsenal of features that make Let's Enhance a formidable player in the field. The platform boasts an array of powerful tools, including upscaling, denoising, color enhancement, and detail recovery. What sets Let's Enhance apart is its remarkable ability to upscale images up to 16 times their original size without compromising on quality. A dream come true for photographers aiming to print large formats images with stunning clarity. A standout feature of Let's Enhance lies in its efficient batch processing capability. Users can effortlessly upload and enhance multiple images simultaneously. The app's AI technology analyzes and enhances each image individually, ensuring high-quality enhancements tailored to the unique characteristics of each photo. This makes Let's Enhance an invaluable tool for those with a treasure trove of images seeking a unified and superior enhancement experience. But the customization doesn't end there. Let's Enhance empowers users with a range of custom settings, allowing for fine-tuned control over the level of enhancement for each photo. Reviewing enhancements before application ensures users find the perfect settings, making the process intuitive and personalized. Stay with us as we uncover more about Let's Enhance and unveil the remaining two contenders on our list of top AI photo enhancers. Each application brings its unique strengths to the table, promising to redefine the boundaries of image enhancement. As our exploration into the realm of AI-driven photo enhancers continues, we turn our attention to the sixth contender on our list, Vance AI, a powerful platform harnessing the capabilities of advanced deep learning algorithms to revolutionize image enhancement. Vance AI distinguishes itself with a robust set of features tailored to elevate your photos to new heights. From upscaling and denoising to sharpening and color correction, this AI-powered photo enhancer encompasses a comprehensive toolkit for photographers and enthusiasts alike. Notably, Vance AI goes beyond more enhancement. It can recognize and separate different elements within an image. This unique capability allows users to selectively enhance specific elements without impacting the entire photo, a game changer for those seeking nuance and targeted improvements. One of the standout features of Vance AI is its ability to enhance low-resolution images, remove noise from photos, and restore the charm of old or damaged photographs. The AI technology at its core ensures that each enhancement is precise and tailored to the unique needs of the image. But Vance AI doesn't stop at photo enhancements alone. The platform expands its repertoire with additional AI-powered tools, including a background remover, a colorizer, and an image-to-image converter. These features further extend creative possibilities for users, offering a comprehensive suite for diverse image editing needs. As with the previous contenders, Vance AI puts customization in the hands of users. The platform provides a range of presets and custom settings, allowing for fine-tuned control over the level of enhancements for each photograph. Reviewing enhancements before application ensures that users have the freedom to experiment and find the perfect adjustments for their images. As our journey through the world of AI-powered photo enhancers unfolds, we arrive at the seventh revelation on our list, PicWish. This innovative photo enhancer leverages advanced deep learning algorithms to breathe new life into your images, providing a transformative experience for users seeking unparalleled enhancements. Available for download on both the App Store and Google Play, PicWish ensures accessibility for a wide range of users. PicWish AI's technology takes center stage, offering an array of powerful tools to enhance, transform, and elevate the quality of your photos. From upscaling and denoising to sharpening and color correction, PicWish provides a comprehensive suite of features that cater to the diverse needs of photographers and enthusiasts alike. The application excels in enhancing low-resolution images, removing noise, and adjusting color and exposure levels to achieve a visually stunning result. But the magic of PicWish doesn't stop at basic enhancements. The app takes creativity to the next level with its range of filters and effects. The AI technology seamlessly applies filters that replicate the nostalgic look of classic films, adding a touch of timeless charms to your photos. Additionally, PicWish introduces more artistic filters that promise to create unique and eye-catching effects, allowing users to express their creativity in new and exciting ways. PicWish is not just a photo enhancer, it is a gateway to unleashing your artistic vision. The app empowers users with tools that transcend basic enhancement, offering a playground of creative possibilities. Join us as we delve deeper into PicWish and prepare to uncover the final contender on our list of top AI photo enhancers. As our journey through the dynamic landscape of AI-powered photo enhancers near its conclusion, we arrive at the eighth and final contender on our list, BeFunky. This versatile platform not only offers an AI-powered photo enhancer but also leverages advanced algorithms paired with the company's profound photo editing expertise. The result, users can seamlessly enhance and transform their images, creating photographs that exude a professionally edited aesthetic. BeFunky's AI technology takes the spotlight, delivering a robust set of tools designed to elevate the quality of your photographs. From enhancing low-resolution images to removing noise, balancing exposure, and adjusting highlights and shadows, BeFunky covers a comprehensive spectrum of image enhancement needs. The platform's commitment to excellence is evident in its ability to produce visually stunning results, all while providing users with the creative freedom to achieve their desired aesthetic. One notable feature in BeFunky's arsenal is its AI portrait enhancer. This specialized tool goes beyond enhancements, correcting image exposure and enhancing colors to achieve a natural-looking effect. But that is not all. The AI portrait enhancers excels in finding details, addressing blemishes and fine lines, and ensuring skin tones appear even and vibrant. It is a powerful tool for those aiming to capture the essence of beauty in their portraits. In conclusion, AI-powered photo enhancers have become essential tools for effortlessly improving digital photos. The 8 featured in this video are among the best in 2024 in my opinion, offering powerful algorithms and user-friendly interfaces. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions in the realm of photo editing. Stay tuned for the exciting developments ahead in the ever-evolving world of AI and photography. Have you tried this AI photo enhancer? Or are there others you are eager to test out? Feel free to share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up, share this content, and subscribe for more insights into the latest advancements in AI. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we can't wait to engage with you in our upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned for more exciting updates.